Welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website with zero investment, you can earn cryptocurrency from here. And this website have a much more ways, so you can earn free cryptocurrency. This much coin this website paid, this much user this website has, and this much withdrawal this website. A lot of people making withdrawal from this website. And just click register. You can put your email address that will be included gmail.com, and enter your password, repeat password. You can easily make an account. I have already account. I just put my email address and my password and solve the capture in here. Just click start and just click sign in. Okay, in here you have you can earn 70% commission of your referral from friends, if you have a referral. Okay, and the first way earning in here is a faucet claim. You can claim faucet from this website. It's just show you another browser. Just take 5 seconds to allow to come here. You can earn this much coin. Okay, this much coin and no limit. Show you this much, no limit. Maybe this energy, or you can take it. Just solve this capture. It's 8, it is 8, 10, it is a 5, and just click cup. Okay, and just come down and click to your reward. Okay, and you can see this website send me just pay me my balance amount, my balance. And this is the timer. It's a 2.5 timer. Okay, 1 under 10 time, and can claim in here this much coin. It's too easy to claim from here. The next way earning is a PTC ads. You can watch PTC ads. 10 ads available in here right now. If you watch all of these ads, pay this much. It's too easy. Just click go. Just take 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, this will be pay your amount. Just solve this capture. Is too easy, just hours, and just click verify. Okay, and this website pay you your amount. And you can watch all of the advertisement available in here, and that was another best way. The next way is a window ad. You can watch window ads. 3 window ad available in here. You can watch it. Okay, and the next way is a shorts, and in here you can watch short links. You can complete the short links. You can complete this short links. This will be pay you this much coin. And the next way earning is you can invest in a stock. Okay, yeah, I show you how. You didn't have any balance, or sorry. The minimum amount for a stock is $10. The maximum is 30 days stock collection charge this much, and you can easily put your stock yearly. This will be pay you this much amount. It's just stocking earning if you want to invest in a stock. Just I show you the request, how much is the minimum withdrawal amount in here, and this much coin equal to the BTC is a 3 BTC. Torin is this much. Torin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Shiba. You can see this much Shiba I can receive. If I click Shiba, I put my wallet address and my Gmail account from faucetpay Gmail account you can put, and from Coinbase Gmail account you can put, and you can withdraw. Okay, and this is the all. And if you want to withdraw Solano, I just click Solano. I put my wallet address. I just click withdraw. You can see this much Solano this website send me. I go to my faucetpay to show you this website really send me my Solana or not. Okay, I just come down and now you can see I receive my Solana right now, and that's the best way. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here. Just solve some capture, just solve. You can faucet claim, just claim your faucet. All of the faucet pay you much more amount, and you can easily make $10 to $50 from this website every week. Okay, that's the great way. Every week just come here, solve a little capture, solve doing some small jobs, and you can claim $50 per week. That's the wonderful. And this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself and start earning. And bye bye for now.